All right, a very good day to every one of you that will be watching this video. Today I'm going to be treating functions of a single variable. Mind you, we are discussing calculus. So that's what we are discussing this day. So calculus is what we're discussing. Under calculus, what I want to talk about is functions. So I'm going to be taking these classes bit by bit. So every single day we are going to be uploading videos on functions, but I'm going to be dealing with only a part of functions we call the even, the odd, the even and the odd function, the even and odd functions. Okay, and then after the class I'm going to give assignments, so all you have to do is to paste the assignment on the comment section. All right, so please do not forget to subscribe and to share this video so that the YouTube algorithm will spread it across. All right, so let's head to business. For instance, let's say the even function. The even function states that, suppose a function of x is given. Let's say the function of x is given. For instance, let me use an example. F of x is equal to 3x cubed plus 4x squared minus 3x. Okay, and so and then they now ask you ascertain if this function is even or odd. So for even function f of x will always be equal to f of minus x. So if f of x is equal to f of minus x, it means that it is even. And then if f of minus x is equal to minus f of x, this is odd. So these are the conditions for even and odd function. For even function, f of x equal to f of minus x, and then for odd function, f of minus x must be equal to minus f of x. So for instance, let us try this function, whether it's even or odd. So let me try for f of minus x. What does that mean? Meaning anywhere I see x, I just put minus x in this function. So this will be 3 into minus x cubed, right? Plus 4 into minus x squared, x all squared. Let me put this squared here. The power is supposed to be outside the bracket, all right? And then minus 3 into minus x. Okay, so let's ascertain. So we now have that f of minus x is equal to minus x all raised to the power of 3 will give you minus 3x cubed, and then plus minus x all squared will give you x squared, so that would leave us with 4x squared, minus would give us plus 3x. So if you check, this is f of minus x giving us minus 3x cubed plus 4x squared plus 3x. So would we say that it is equal to f of x? What is f of x? This. So you see, it's not the same. And then we'll now say, let us try for minus f of x. Minus f of x. So that would be, we'll just multiply f of x with minus 1 all through. So that will be, recall that f of x is 3x cubed plus 4x squared minus 3x. So minus f of x would be minus 3x cubed minus 4x squared plus 3x. So if you check, neither f of x is equal to minus f of minus x, which is even, nor f of minus x equal to minus f of x. Can you see that this one is not equal to this and this one is not equal to this? So this function is neither odd nor even. All right, so let's see another premium example. Let me check for another example. Assuming we have a function a function of, let's say, f of x is equal to 4 all over x squared plus 1. So let us check whether it's even or odd. So let's try f of minus x, which will be 4 over minus x all squared plus 1. So that will be 4 over 4 all over minus x all squared will be x squared plus 1. Can you see? F of x is equal to f of minus x. So this function is what? Even. All right. So I'm going to drop. I want you to try these ones out. Try these other ones out. Try these other ones out. A moment. Try these other ones out. I want you to try these other ones out. Try them out. 1. Try f of x equal to 5x raised to the power 4 minus 3x raised to the power 3 plus 2x squared plus x minus 7. And number 2, f of x, check f 4x squared minus 5. Check whether any of these function is even or odd. Remember, f of x equal to f of minus x is even, and f of minus x, if f of minus x is equal to minus f of x, you know that that function is what? Odd. But if none of these conditions is satisfied, it is simply what? Neither. So by tomorrow, we'll be posting another video on other aspects of functions, such as the identity function, constant function, eigenvalue functions, and the rest. So stay tuned. Tell your friends that we've commenced. Like, share, and comment. See you tomorrow.